everyone, welcome by my new YouTube video for our creative journey. And in this video I will show you how I'm folding this mini book. Recently I made this mini book with a beautiful collection Bloom Street from Paige Evans, and there were a lot of questions how I made this mini book. So I decided to show you how I made it in this video. So when you open it, it's very pretty to see all the photos and stitching and embellishments. It gives a little bit of an origami effect when you open and close the booklet. And with the pink ribbon you can close your mini book with a beautiful streak. So this is what I made in this mini book. I did some stitching and I placed some photos and some die cuts. Also I typed some word strips with my typewriter. So it's fun. It's a fun way to do, and it is not so difficult. It's very easy. So grab your things and let's make this mini book. So what do we need? 3 design papers from 20.5 by 20.5 centimeters. I've put the inches on the screen. We need 2 cardboard squares, 10.8 by 10.8 in centimeters. Also I've put the inches on the screen. 2 craft bags, or you can use a thinner paper to fold easy, like wrapping paper. And we need a big piece of ribbon. Here I cut a square of the paper bag and I folded around the cardboard. I used double-sided edge-shave tape to stick the sides, and I do this twice. So now we're going to fold the mini book. In all of the 3 design papers we fold across. You can use your bone folder to make the lines sharper so that they are easier to fold. And when all 3 design papers are folded, I look at which color combination fits well with each other. And when I've made my choice, I tape the 2 corners together on both sides with sticky tape or double-sided edge-shave tape. And I also use some glue. So when they are stick together, then I fold the inner sides inwards to create a square. So I put the insides inwards to create a square, and then I turn it around and fold the inner sides also inwards, so there is a square as well. So now it's time for the third sheet, design paper, to glue the corner, just like we did before. So I use my double side adhesive tape and some glue, and then we stick the corners to each other, and when that's done, again we fold the inner side to create the third square. So you see here I fold the insides and the inner sides to create again the third square. So now the inside is completely folded. We are going to glue the cardbook on the front and on the back, but don't forget to glue the ribbon in between, so you can close the book later. And now the mini book is ready to decorate it. It will be chunky like the other one I made here before. And you can also use it as a jingle booklet. So I say, let go of your creativity. You can make it, everything what you want it to make. And I want to say thanks for watching. Have fun, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.